Greetings! Are you prepared to elevate your affiliate marketing performance and realize substantial earnings? If that resonates with you, then this pioneering webinar will provide the guidance you seek. It is an optimal solution for ambitious affiliate marketers like yourself who are intent on augmenting their income and achieving unprecedented success. Here's what you will uncover: an exclusive system that has generated an impressive $23 million plus online, along with a step-by-step guide on how to integrate this into your own business model. This webinar will articulate the 3 fundamental reasons why most traditional online businesses do not succeed, as well as the one vital element that many experts in the field overlook. Imagine earning up to $3,493.50 in commissions from a single conversion without engaging in the selling process yourself. Yes, that's entirely feasible with the insights from this webinar. We will show you how to activate the 3 proven profit levers to earn up to $33,078 a month. And rest assured, it's a strategy that can benefit you even if you're a novice in the online world. We will also demonstrate how to access high-ticket automated webinars prepared for you, expediting your ability to generate affiliate sales. Furthermore, learn how to integrate this multi-million-dollar system into your business in roughly 27 minutes. Don't hesitate, as the slots for this invaluable training are limited. Secure your spot immediately and take a significant step towards your affiliate marketing success. Find the registration link in the description.